Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see AES decrypt function in a Spark SQL. This is the structure of AES decrypt function. Here it will going to take the expression. This is the key, this is the mode, and this is the padding. So before decrypting anything, first we need to encrypt it. So encryption is based on the key or based on the key and the model, and it is also based on the mode and padding. So whatever the condition we have given, based on what combination, key and mode, key, mode and padding, we need to supply those things here whenever we are going to decrypt the encrypted data. So it returns the decrypted value of the expression in the AES mode with the padding. Same thing, right? The key length, the key which we have supplied here, it must be of 16, 24 and 32 bits in size. It also support combination of ECB, PKCS, GCM, non, CBC, PKS. These are the combination of mode and padding. But we need to just figure it out which kind of mode and padding we have used during the time of encryption. Those mode and padding we should provide whenever we are going to decrypt the encrypted string. So in this exercise, I am creating this table, and these are the attributes of the table. When the table gets created, so with the help of this insert statement, I will insert some records in this table. When the records get inserted, then I will first encrypt the column and then I will decrypt the column. So for encryption and decryption, what I am going to do, I am just creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table. What I am just doing with the help of a AES encrypt function, by passing this AP name column, and this is the key, I am encrypting this AP name and creating a column with the name of a encrypted name column, because we are providing alias. Once, and the encryption is base 64 character. When this AP name gets encrypted and the data is stored in this table, what I will going to do, I will use this AES decrypt function to decrypt this encrypted data which we have encrypted here. So here we are only providing the key. So first, that's why we are providing only the same key which we have used during the encryption. So before decrypting it, we also need to do the unbase 64. So here we have used base 64 character for the encryption. Here we are just doing the unbase 64. Which one? This is the encrypted column. And again we are casting it in string. And we are storing this decrypted value in this decrypted column. So whatever the name of AP string at the initial time, whenever we are going to decrypt it, so this decrypted name and the AP name, it must be same. And here what I am just doing, for the sake of visibility, I am just selecting from this CTE. Again, here we are also creating a CTE. Here we are just taking the name, encrypted name and decrypted name for more visibility. Okay, so let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name this notebook as AES Decrypt. So we need to create table and we need to insert some data. For that purpose, we need to create some scripts. So the scripts I have already created. This script is to create a table. Let me copy it. Let me paste here. Run it. A Spark is creating this table. Okay, table has been created successfully. Now let's insert some record with the help of this insert statement. Run it. A Spark is executing each insert statement one by one. Okay, all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let me just validate the data. We can see this is the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now, let's first encrypt this AP name column and then we can decrypt it. Let me format it. First, let me encrypt it. So how we are going to encrypt? With the help of an AES encrypt, which column we are encrypting? And based on what? We are encrypting based on key only. Name it as encrypted name. Let me run it. So this has been encrypted. So let's encrypt in the base 64 character. And here let's select only AP name. Let me run it. Okay. So here let me just give AP name only. Okay, this is the name. This is the base 64 encoded character. Now put into NCT. CT is nothing but it is a temporary table. Let me run it. Okay. Now create another CT, or here only let's decrypt it. So how we can decrypt it? To decryption, first we need to use AES decrypt. In this we have to pass the column which is encrypted. So this is the encrypted column, but this encrypted column is in the base 64 character. So let's unbase it. We have unbase with help of base 64 character, and here it would be the key based on what we have encrypted the column, and this will going to cast as a string. Why it is giving error here? Okay. Here column comma should not be there as string, and let's give the name as decrypted name. Let me format it. It will be more visible. Now let's select this AT name also for the visibility, and this decrypted name as well, and run it. We can see here this is the name, this is the encrypted value, and this is the decrypted value. So we have encrypted with the help of a AES encrypt with the help of this key, and we have decrypted this encrypted value with the help of a AES decrypt, and we are encrypting and decrypting based on this key with the help of a base 64 character. Now let's do this encryption and decryption based on the key and mode. So I am just, for just to save time, what I am just doing, I have just copied the code, and here I am just providing the mode. Okay, here the mode is GCN. Then whenever we are going to decrypt it, we are also going to use mode GCN. Okay, sorry, GCN. Now run. We can see this is the name, this is the encrypted, and the encryption has been done based on the key and mode. And during the decryption, we have also used the same key and the mode. That's why this name and the decrypted name is matching. Now let's do encryption and decryption based on the key, mode, and padding. Let me copy this query. Let me paste here, and we have also put padding as well. So the supported padding is ECB, ECB, and PKCS. These are the combination of modding which is supported. So let me copy this one and paste here. So here the encryption will be done with the help of a key, mode, and padding, and the same whenever we are going to decrypt this encrypted value, we are also using same key, same mode, and the same padding. So let me run it. So this is the same. This is the AP name, this is the encrypted name, and this is the decrypted name. So this name and the decrypted name is matching. In this video, we have seen how we can encrypt the data and how we can decrypt the data. The encryption we can do with the help of a key, with the help of a combination of key and mode, and with the help of a combination of key, mode, and the padding. Same combination we need to use whenever we are going to decrypt the encrypted data. Let's go to the PPT. This is the same thing which we have already covered. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.